Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the boundary display sensitivity on PlayStation VR 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing your boundary display sensitivity changes how soon the boundaries of your play area are displayed when you approach them. This is set to medium by default, but you might want to change it. From your PS5 dashboard, scroll to the top right of the screen and open Settings. In Settings, scroll down and select Accessories. In Accessories Settings, scroll down and select PlayStation VR 2. Now we are in the settings for PSVR 2. From here, scroll down and click on Boundary Display Sensitivity. Here you can change between low, medium and high sensitivity for your play area boundaries. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PSVR 2 tips and tricks.